All right, so here we are with today's mail call. And the big item right now is license plates. So before we can put any plates on the wall, I have to make sure that I've got everybody's name for mail call, which we do during our live stream. And we have a list of who gave us what, so that we give everybody the credit that is due. These ones I wanted to share with you. These are from Virginia. This one's a 1944 plate, but the interesting thing about them is they're actually cardboard. And I'm guessing that they are cardboard because during the war, metal was in short supply. So Virginia actually went to a cardboard license plate, as many states did. And they didn't last too long, but they definitely saved the metal for the war effort. Thank you very much. So I actually had somebody ask me why I would want all these plates on my wall. And honestly, for me, it's a graphical representation of you guys. It's a very small portion, but honestly, this right here means more than subscriber numbers or Facebook followers or anything like that. These are people that really believe in what we're doing. And looking up at this really does remind us of that. So thanks to everybody who has sent plates in so far. Keep them coming. Let's fill up the whole darn wall. Why not? Why not fill up every wall? Let's just do it. Thanks again, and you can send those to us. I'll put an address down here in the description. I'll put it in the herd report, whatever we need to do. And we'll keep them coming, and we'll keep on filling this wall up because this really does mean something. Thanks a lot, guys.